Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to uninstall Google TV app from Android phone. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your home screen or app library. Now what you have to do is find the application for Google TV. Once you find it, simply long press on it. Now you'll be able to find two options, widgets and app info. Simply tap on the option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Google TV. Over here, you'll be able to find the information regarding the Google TV application. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for uninstall. If you do not find the option for uninstall over here, you might also be able to find the option for disable. You can also tap on it. Or if you find the option for uninstall, simply tap on the option uninstall. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Do you want to uninstall this app? Simply tap on the OK option. Now you can see over here Google TV application has been uninstalled. So that is how you uninstall Google TV app from Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.